has a new product line called Lewa, and she makes really nice handmade products. So I'm going to open this now, and wow, this is really good packaging. Look at that. So it says Lewa Botanical, and this is the Khaleesi lip balm. And ooh, this is nice. There's a note here. Oh, this is a really nice note from her. I love the packaging. I actually really like the packaging. Oh wow, this is so nice. So this is Lewa Botanical Ultimate Body Moisturizer, and this is the lip balm. Let me open that. Oh, it smells really nice. The body moisturizer. Ooh, I think she put some gifts here. This is so pretty. Let's see. Oh wow, this is a gift for a friend. Okay, I'm gonna ask her what these are. This is so pretty. I actually really love this packaging. It's so nice. The beauty is in the butter. Love it. Smells good. Looks really good. So it's got shea butter, sunflower seed oil, jojoba castor oil, olive oil, rapeseed oil. Yeah, it's really good. Vitamin E, natural essential oils. So I'm going to look forward to using this. Ooh, and it's really nice. Yeah. It gives a sort of like see that? It's nice. I like it because I like oil, so this is good. And I also love the packaging of this. So this is Lewa Botanical. Ooh, smells really nice. This is the lip balm. Let's see. Smells nice. I like it. This is the lip balm. I just really like the packaging. Yeah, I like the packaging. It's actually really good. And then she sent a gift. Yeah, it's really nice. Cool. I just got back from physical therapy, so that's why I look like this. But I wanted to open the package quickly. I was like, oh, nice. When you get a chance, follow Lewa Botanical. It's called How Do You Lewa on Instagram, and the website is lewabotanical.com. Yeah, to purchase their products.